While some people are using third-party apps to split their videos for long WhatsApp status, there's a much easier way that keeps you completely inside the app. This trick uses a simple feature that's always been there and is perfect for sharing a full song or a longer clip. Here's the step-by-step guide. The first thing you need to do is open a chat with yourself. Now tap on the attachment icon in the chat and select the gallery option. This time, select the long video from your phone. As soon as you select it, you have to tap on the send button. Then, you have to click on the video you have just sent and then click on the three vertical lines and tap on edit. On the trimming bar at the top, select the first 30 seconds of your video, then send it to yourself. After you have sent it, you have to go back to your chats section and then go to updates. From here, click on the 30-second video you have just edited earlier. And as what you can see here, you already have the 30-second video. You just have to tap on that send icon. A pop-up window will also appear. Just choose anything based on your preference. That's it! By using this simple chat trick, you can manually slice your video into perfect 30-second clips and upload them to your status in the correct order. You don't need any extra apps and it works for any video, even if the new 90-second feature isn't available to you yet.